But let's focus on the best camera experiences, one of the main selling points of the phone. To achieve that goal, let's place the popular Google Pixel 2 XL, the P20 Pro triple camera from Huawei and the latest Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in the ring, and let's see who comes first. None of these smartphones will leave you wanting performance. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 within the LG V40 ThinQ is roughly comparable to the Exynos 9810 from Samsung and the Kirin 970 from Huawei. The old Snapdragon 835 from Google Pixel 2 XL and the smaller 4GB RAM capacity is a slightly weaker configuration, but not so much that you will notice drops in performance during daily tasks. Those with an insatiable lust for the best performance and stock of Android may want to wait a little longer for the Pixel 3. In the same way, all these phones look sharp and have colorful and bright screens. Even the lowest FHD Plus resolution of the P20 Pro is sufficient in a 6-inch form factor. Remember, both the Samsung Note 9 and the LG V40 are preset to an FHD Plus resolution to save battery life. We will give an advantage to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 here, as the screen giant has reserved some of the best AMOLED panels ever produced for the Galaxy Note 9. LG Display's POLED technology within the Pixel 2 XL receives a bit of a bad reputation shortly after the launch, but many of the complaints were exaggerated. If you're an avid fan of the notch, you're probably not very happy with the look of the Huawei P20 Pro and the LG V40.